Decorating a small apartment can feel like a challenge, especially when you're on a budget. You want a space that feels cozy, stylish, and uniquely yours, but it's easy to feel limited by both space and cost. The good news is, you don't need to spend a lot to create a home that reflects your personality and feels inviting. In this video, we'll share a few simple and affordable decorating tips that can transform your small apartment into a space you'll love. Whether you're a renter or homeowner, these ideas are designed to inspire and help you make the most of what you have without breaking the bank. Let's get started. Tip 1. Add personality with wall art. When you move into a small apartment, it's easy to feel like the walls are closing in, especially if they're bare and lacking character. But you don't need to spend a fortune on fancy art to make a difference. One easy and affordable way to add personality is by creating your own wall art or finding budget-friendly pieces. You can print out photos, frame postcards, or even design your own artwork. Thrift stores are also great places to find unique frames and pieces that won't break the bank. By adding just a few personal touches, your apartment will start to feel more like home. Tip 2. Play with color accents. Sometimes, small apartments can feel a bit dull if the color scheme is too neutral. But don't worry, there's a simple fix for that. Adding pops of color with accents like throw pillows, rugs, or curtains can instantly brighten up your space. You don't need to repaint the walls or make permanent changes if you're renting. Instead, choose a color palette that reflects your style and brings energy into the room. You can mix and match colors that complement each other or choose a few standout pieces that make a bold statement. The best part? These small changes can have a big impact without costing much. Tip 3. Layer textures for a cozy feel. If you want your apartment to feel warm and inviting, layering different textures can work wonders. Even in a small space, using a mix of materials like soft cushions, chunky knit blankets, and plush rugs can make the room feel cozy without being overwhelming. The key is to play with different textures to create depth and comfort. You don't need to splurge on expensive items. Look for affordable throws, pillows, or rugs from discount stores or online. You'll be surprised at how much a few textured pieces can transform a room and make it feel much more welcoming. Tip 4. Plants as affordable decor. Adding plants is one of the easiest and most affordable ways to breathe life into your apartment. Whether you have a small corner or a windowsill, a few houseplants can instantly brighten up the space and give it a more natural, vibrant feel. Don't worry if you're not a plant expert. There are plenty of low-maintenance options like succulents or snake plants that thrive indoors. You can find inexpensive plants at local markets, or even start with cuttings from friends. With just a few green touches, your apartment will feel fresher and more inviting. Decorating a small apartment doesn't have to be overwhelming or expensive. By adding personal touches with wall art, playing with color accents, layering textures, and bringing in plants, you can completely transform your space. The best part is, these ideas are simple, budget-friendly, and easy to start today. So whether you're looking to refresh your living room, bedroom, or even just a cozy corner, these tips can help you create a home that feels stylish and comfortable. If you've got any favorite decorating tips, we'd love to hear them. Drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more affordable home ideas.